won't even cut over. Oh, man. Well, I was told my problem, my starter. If it was my ignition switch, it would be trying to cut over, but it will try to cut over, but it won't turn over. But it's not making any noise. It's not even cutting over at all. Yes, it does have power. I'm just going to check it out here. Yeah, here I am going to be checking it out. I'm going to hit the starter, see if it'll turn over. Let's see here. Alright, I'm gonna go over here and see what happens. It won't even make a click. Or anything. It won't even do anything. So, car's not running. Came to the store here and been out here for about an hour. I've called AAA and roadside assistance. It's going to take them an hour. Now they've called and it's going to take another 20 minutes, another 10 or 15 to 20 minutes for them to get here. So other than that, I'm stuck here, and my starter, I'm pretty sure it's my starter. I could put money on it as my starter. If it was your ignition, it will try to start. It will turn over, but it just won't do it. Battery's almost a new battery. Everything's working good. I mean, the lights are working, the radio's working. There is power going through the car, going to the car. So apparently it's not my battery, and it's not my alternator. So it's got to be one thing, my starter. So it's gonna cost $130 to get a starter. It's gonna take me a couple of weeks to get it done, but I will be getting this done and taken care of as soon as possible, because it's not cutting over. It's not making any noise. If it was clicking, it'd be different, but it's not starting. It's not making a clicking noise. It's not turning over. So this is about all there is. So, all right. Catch you later. Bye. Hey YouTube. Well, I'm still stuck out here, as you can see. And I've been out here about an hour and a half, and there's the car. And as a matter of fact, I'm still waiting on the tow truck to get here. He called and said it was in traffic, there was an accident or something. But here's the thing: they called me 30 minutes ago, said it was 20 minutes. Then they said, well, if your tow hasn't showed up, please press 1. I guess for pressing 1, the tow truck driver called and said, well, it's going to be another 10 minutes before I show up. It's already been 30 minutes late. So here's the problem. It's been 15 minutes. 15 minutes since he called, and he still hasn't showed up. So I'm very upset. I shouldn't have to wait almost 2 hours for him to show up. and it was supposed to just take an hour. It was supposed to take just an hour. That's it. It was supposed to. Well, I'm stuck here with the car with no starter. I tried just now to start it and it won't start. So I don't know what to do. I guess I'd make another video when he comes. Alright. Bye. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back with you. Got some news for you. I'm going to take you over here. And here was the problem. It wasn't what I thought it was. Of course, it wasn't what I thought it was. It was actually the cable, because I have replaced the whole cable to the ground for the battery. But if you can see underneath here, there's another ground that goes to the block. Well, that came loose and came off. So I was still getting the lights and the power to the radio, but I just wasn't getting the ignition to work. So that was the problem. As you can see, it's down in here, right there. So everything is working now. Neat. The tow man was 2 hours late. Actually, it was an hour late, actually, because it was supposed to just take an hour, and it took 2 hours, 2.5 hours almost, just for him to call me. Well, he called me and he told me, well, I'm here now. So guess what? I'm at the house already, because I found out what the problem was, and I fixed it. And now he's like, well, if you need anything, just let me know. Well, guess what? I hope they didn't charge my insurance, because I'm not paying it, and I don't think my insurance should pay it. I don't think they're going to pay it. My idea, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off. I'm going to spray it down with engine spray. Degrease it first. Then I'm going to let it set. I might hand dry it. And then I'm going to buy some engine paint, red paint, and paint this. While I paint this, it's going to be awesome. But what I'm going to do, wait a minute. The coolest thing is I'm going to take some black paint, some black engine paint, and I'm going to go over these right here. I'm sorry, let me go back in. Paint these black and the numbers and the letters black. It's going to look cool as crap. I know it. It's going to really look good. So everything is now working as it should. So everything's all systems go, really. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. And here's the car. She's a 1999 Chevy Lumina. Got 169,000 miles on her. I just got this new tire, not this one. I just got this tire here about a couple of weeks ago. Still a good tire. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye. Here's my baby cat. There she is. She's sitting there because I just gave her some food, and she's now just got through eating. Good. Thank you. Bye-bye.